Good afternoon, everyone. As per the government instruction, government order, सरकार ने खरपची एवं मतुंगना सरकार इच्छेस ले स्कूल खुदिंदा पोषण प्ले स्टोर को हाइदना पर थाई मरमदुना मसीते नते अखोने चार वर चिंदा सिंह अखोने चार वर चिंदा सिंह स्कूल लाइक तमला पद करिए भव सिंह चार दगे करी चार दगे कोई चागरी चारो हरन सिंह चु मुखी वासन लोग धर्ममा सरकार नागरी वीडियो थारो स्कूल सुबह थारो हाइदना order of the government has sent an order to all the schools, including our school, that how to consume, how to eat, how to what will not take, will not eat. Karisaro, Pagani, Karisaro. I will sing my am sing Marunda. Poshan Pezama, Mayanda, Wasakama, Laura. Saka Nagri Wasak to be video recording to government of Tharak Tawayadi and the Natu Papa Tirupati, Tharaktanasi Assembly Silaga, Wasak Lobi Tharabasi Pantogani, Asim Wasak Lavasla, Nasaki Yetamba Rai Hendo, State of Hungary, Nasaki Yetamba Kurkudima, Sanak Tokalari. Okay, all appointment order. And if you was a problem of Pachamana, as we know that Chaman according to the Sigamari and Hypetam Saturday who had here to was a philosophy.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, as our principal said, we are going to take a pledge regarding the Poshan pledge. Poshan is kind of the things which we are having, which we are eating. Regarding these things, we have to take a pledge. And regarding this, I would like to call our respected Miss Vicky to give a brief account on what is about this Poshan. Thank you. So please welcome Miss.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to talk about this Poshan pledge launched by our center government. So in 2018, the center launched its flagship program called Poshan, and its full name or full name is Prime Minister's Overarching Scheme for Holistic Nourishment. It is also known as National Nutrition Mission, launched in 2018 as I said, by the Government of India with the aim of tackling the malnutrition problem prevalent in India. So it aims at reducing the level of undernutrition and enhance the nutritional status of the children in the society, and it also aims at removing the malnutrition from the country by 2022. So this nahani se Poshan pledge nahani se karino hai matamda 2022 hawing manung shesta jaga nook and corner of the world or India as a whole. India as a whole, the Hiram Kudimak the Ormagi kai have India gi nook and corner da malnutrition hana problem se jaga amata da laitna bai damakta sigi government of India na sigi hariba program se launch tawine karino na haragadi magi balance ki matam da ideas pin bai damakta nutrients makal gi matam da darkar bedo mayana loina mak ideas pin bai damakta sise launch tawine isam samna harabada mayam khama mani icham chamba hinjang amaga kai haba mag chutney ga chaga da bagi mohot pudi hinjang makal yamasu yamrasu makhal makhal chawa na hena machi obe hele isam samna fridge amatangdagi phangdaba magi vitamins to fridge makhal makhal charagadi adudagi hena phangba hele makhal makhal charagadi vitamins makhal makhal hena phangba hele well nutrients habadi nutrients makhal makhal myam phangye balanced diet phangba ngamgani na habagi idea na sibini portion habadi isam samna ma se hindi word ne ko habadi makhal makhal charagadi koina magi nutrients sarkar riba carbohydrates proteins fats vitamins minerals even rapes hauba kai constipation da mating pangga sigma mayam sise phangma mangani duga akoina laina makhal makhal nargadabadagi amasung food watpadagi na tagma nutrients watpadagi na laina makhal makhal mayam singgo mathok pangangani na habigin isam samna lam karama kaida akoina chawa phajana phangba daga haiba ma lere daga phajana duga karama tana Matiyo bacawa phangdaba even pregnant lady phawbada magi matiyo bacawa ngamdaba diki angang miscarriage tawba sigma problem myam singse aduga inkhalai liba angang singna makhal mathel nutrients myam chawa phangdaba diki narak laina myam sigma myam singse loina magbut na baida makta eradicate tabna baida makta government na sigi program se launch tawrapani kari non haragadi sigi problem se amasung asina yaw myam singse we have the proper nutrients phangdabadagi or magi malnourished oibadagi siba myam singse thokna baida makta eradicate tabna baida makta amasung paisa phana paidana susigi balance diet ki idea phangdragadi magi matiyoda phangdabana maram oidna laina myam narakadabadagi ngathoknaba sung ngathoknaba amasung kadoba akoina koi food prepare ta uma tabda kari haba magi nutrients makhal makhal myam singse phangdabai damakta plus mapanda hujikan chanarakliba junk food chabana hele healthy hoina khanare myam singse sise tawna bai damakta mayam mapanda kai haba chow natraga namagi fried rice chagada bagi mahut budi yumda chabna hena khena khandra khandra khande khale ko aduga mapanda ken da hapa magi food preservative myam singa tawraga adjasi amaga chaba potni hena khena khandra yumda akoigi fridge kangu shing phadana freshly prepared tawra thakne na khena khandra freshly prepared tawra thakne na khai ko yumda green leafy vegetables fruits myam chabane hena khai haba ko mapandi junk food items magi food preservatives adegi kai haba magi color additives myam hapaga akuna chari myam singdo kai na haba moi di can gumba sigi preservatives ko tajun items kangu shingse high in sugar content and high in salt content habigi idea myam singse khangna bai da makne khangani ko adna preservatives sigi myam singde hapaga magi sugar high in sugar content high in salt content waraga amasung magi chemicals myam thaga thaga sembani na masigi potse chadabane hena phai haba ko okay duga dons khara pathok chara ke koina charoi de basingdo So the first one is avoid using soft drinks as it contains excess sugar and soda, which is not healthy and it is very harmful for our health. And second one is avoid using canned food products as it contains preservatives, excess salt and sugar, which is less in nutrient content. And then third one is it also contains saturated fats, which are harmful and toxic for our health. And the fourth, next one is avoid eating processed noodles as it contains just rubbery matter which stick to the intestine and it has no nutrient content. Next one is spices and color additives to the food are harmful and highly toxic for our health, so it should be avoided. And next one is avoid eating highly spicy food in the morning even before breakfast because it affects our stomach as everything starts from stomachic element. So every element in our body starts from stomachic element. Sakhaw de la panga tane bako. Sakhaw se phanabai damakta early morning da koina masala yaw ba spices yang yaw pot se chaw ba phatte ha bako. And then next one is avoid drinking ice cold water just after eating food because it will lead to indigestion. And next one is avoid eating oily junk food sold on the roadside and fast food. It will lead to high BP, high cholesterol, heart diseases and many other organ failures. Next one is avoid eating hot burning food items just for the pleasing effect on our throat. And some of the healthy habits that we should follow are coming up with regular routine or schedule. Next one is do some sort of exercise every day. Next one, do what's your diet. Do keep your stress levels down. Next one is do get enough sleep. Don't have excess alcohol. Don't eat when you are bored or stressed because it will lead to indigestion. Don't let laziness set in. So these are some of the points that I took up today. Thank you very much.
Now the last part of the program is to do the plays. The Poshan plays will be done. All the school, captain, vice captain, prefect, and each and every student, you have to do the play by giving your right hand step. Giving. So commander and command and plays will be done. Proceed. Koi siksa ni habili wasak logri adugumba wasak ama logri principal na harko kudima na koi kudima na follow to kudabani to koi kudima na kudabani. The principal say all these words, you have to repeat it. Okay? Come on.
Break! Stand up! All you students, put your hand up. Right hand up.
Step, right hand up. Up. Sumna, step. Keep going. You have to follow me. Poshan play. I pray that I will keep myself well nourished and spread the message of healthy eating among my friends and family. I will not possess, promote, use, or give junk food and unhealthy soft drinks. I will eat green leafy vegetables and fruits. I will adore and promote safe cooking and eating habits. I will keep myself well hydrated and practice healthy, hygienic habits of washing of my hands regularly. Thank you. We have taken the record. This video we have to send to the government. We send